Strawberries are in season, y'all, and they're beautiful. I got these today from Publix, and they're just absolutely gorgeous strawberries, and they're going to make a super good dessert. We're going to make a quick dessert, and with strawberries, Cool Whip, sugar, and an angel food cake that I got from Publix. So we're just going to take fresh strawberries, and we're going to slice them up, and I'm going to show you how I make my strawberry syrup for my shortcakes, okay? Now, you can do it this way. This is just the old-fashioned way where you use sugar and strawberries. Now, Mama always let them sit on the counter until they got hot. I actually zap them in the microwave because it's quicker. If you do zap them in the microwave, then you do have to let them chill in the refrigerator for a little while before you can put your dessert together. This is so easy and fast. You can put it together while you're baking something in the oven. We've got supper in the oven, and we're having to wait on it to get good and hot. So it's the perfect time for me to throw this quick dessert together. And it's one everybody loves. Now tonight, I'm using Cool Whip because it's quick, and I have some. If you want to whip up some whipping cream, by all means, whip it up and use it.
Now, both of my grandmothers had this all the time. My Grandma Long, which is my mother's mother, they had Strawberry Patch. And so this was one of her #1 desserts. They'd have this and, you know, and she'd have some pound cake or, you know, angel food cake like we got from the store or something like that if they had it. But this was a big, big thing. Or she'd just have a cake mix, you know.
Yeah.
With it. I mean, it's good with anything.
Another thing is if strawberries are in season, you can do this and make this, I call it my strawberry syrup. You can make this and put it in containers and freeze it. And then in the winter time, when strawberries are expensive, you can pull that out and you've got some good strawberries for desserts, and you don't have to pay 2 prices for the strawberries.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking about that. She always had strawberries in the freezer.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, every time you'd open the freezer, you'd have a bunch of strawberries in there, and those, I don't remember what kind, those plastic.
Yep.
You remember that?
Containers.
Those freezer containers?
Oh,
she'd have a ton of those in there with strawberries all the time. Or this mix like you got right here.
Right.
Already mixed up.
So what you're going to do once you get all your strawberries sliced is you're going to put sugar on them. Now, if you're diabetic, you can use your Splenda sugar or your monk fruit sugar if you want to sweeten your strawberries with that. But now this does make some liquid, and I usually use about a ½ cup of sugar. And you can, if you want to spruce it up, which Mama never did, we never did, this is how we ate it. But if for some reason you want to spruce it up, you could always add a tablespoon of strawberry jello. It would make it delicious too. And I'm going to go ahead and put, instead of just a ½ cup, I'm going to put a ¾ cup in here because I have so many strawberries. All right. So what you're going to do is just shake it good, and we're going to get this in the microwave and put it on 3 minutes. 3 minutes is my magic number for the microwave. Now, of course, our mothers didn't use the microwave, but I'm going to tell you, it makes the best strawberries for cake ever. So just give it a try. When this gets good and hot, we're going to pour it out into a pie plate. So we'll pour it into this pie plate, and we'll slide it in the freezer, and we're going to let these strawberries chill before we take our cake apart and Cool Whip, because you don't want to put hot strawberries on Cool Whip or whipping cream, all right? Now, if you put them in there that long, it should be enough. And then what you're going to do, we don't like to leave them whole like this because we think more of the flavor of the strawberry gets in there if you smash it some and put it down in that juice. So Mama always smashed hers. She used to use a potato smasher, one of those old potato smashers. I don't have one. You know which one I'm talking about, Chris? It looks kind of like a squiggly line.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking, what's a potato? Yeah, I know what you're talking about now.
And, but I always just use this now that I got it. So, do give them a good smash. Just because, trust me, it tastes better this way. All right, that's all there is to it. Now, a lot of y'all probably think, well, why are you showing them how to do that? I'm showing you because a lot of people don't know how to do it. They buy the frozen strawberries sweetened out of the freezer section at the grocery store. And if you wait till strawberries are in season, then you can actually create your own strawberry shortcake or dessert topping, and you can use this in milkshakes, you can use it on ice cream, you can use it on cakes, and it's just a good thing to have in your freezer. So we're gonna pour this over in this pie plate, and we're gonna get it in the freezer and let it chill. I got an angel food cake from Publix. Publix does have a good cake, and I noticed when you get them in a lot of places, they kind of have a chemical taste to me. So we're just going to make a little dessert here. And I'm probably going to use about half the cake and not fill up this bowl because it's just us tonight. There's just 3 of us eating cake tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off in little chunks, put it in here. We love strawberries. And Amy doesn't like any kind of dessert that has fruit in it, but she loves the strawberry ones. Now this Publix angel food cake has a good flavor. It doesn't have that chemical taste. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about or not. I think that's enough cake for us. So let me rinse my hands. Now we're going to add our strawberries. Well, they've been in the freezer, so they're nice and cool. And top it off with some fluffy Cool Whip. My mother loved Cool Whip. Easy, dessert, fast, that everybody's gonna love. That's all there is to it. And if you're taking it somewhere, you'd put it all in there and put a strawberry on the top. Grab you an angel food cake if you got a Publix. Make you one if you don't, out of my second cookbook, and make this delicious strawberry shortcake for your family and friends while strawberries are in season. Now for eating. Your pretty dessert cup. Serve it with a strawberry. Let's get a bite. That's one of the best desserts in the world to me. And it's so simple, y'all. Oh, it's so good. I could eat my weight in it. Y'all have a wonderful day. And we thank you for watching Colored Valley Cooks. Go make some strawberries like our mamas did. Bye, y'all. Love ya.
Cooking time, it's over now. Tammy, she just showed you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. So